How does SLM metal 3D printing create ultra-precise metal parts, from aerospace core brackets to robotic precision components? 1. Model data refinement. Conduct topological optimization and slicing parameter calibration tailored to metal printing requirements for precision fabrication. 2. Substrate leveling. Precisely calibrate the printing substrate's flatness to ensure tight interlayer bonding and eliminate printing deviations. 3. Metal powder loading. Load high-performance metal powders. The equipment automatically achieves uniform powder spreading for stable printing. 4. Selective Laser Melting. A high-power laser scans precisely, melting and curing metal powder layer by layer to achieve micron-level precision forming. 5. Offline powder cleaning. Remove the printed part and use high-pressure air blowing plus vacuum adsorption for dual cleaning to fully eliminate surface and internal residual powder. 6. Wire EDM separation. Precisely separate the part from the substrate using wire EDM technology without damaging the part structure. 7. Precision sanding. First rough grind to remove cutting marks, then fine sand progressively to eliminate burrs and uneven areas for improved surface flatness. 8. Sandblasting texture enhancement. Create a uniform matte texture on the metal surface via sandblasting to improve wear resistance and visual appeal. 9. Quality check and shipment. Rigorously test dimensional accuracy and internal defects. Qualified products are labeled and scheduled for delivery.